What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Retro Hoop Breaks. Today we have Fleer Force 99-2000. This is a box that was given to me by my brother for Christmas. So that's going to be a very special break here. Let's see. 99-2000, not a big rookie year. I mean, we got Lamar Odom, Ron Artest, Jason Terry, which came through my Rockets for a little bit. Who else do we have? I mean, you'd really have to be in the 90s, 2000 basketball to really understand who the big players are. But the cool thing about this set is going to be the inserts. They got some pretty dope inserts. We can pull some Kobe Bryants. There's also a special Vince Carter set, 15 card set, that's part of this whole thing as well. So we'll see what we pull. How many are in this box? Each pack only has 5 cards, so I'm not exactly sure how many are in here. What's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's probably 12. It's 24 packs probably. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 24 packs. 5 cards per pack. Let's go ahead and jump into this. So let's see. What we can pull is force field parallels. So they have the parallels, and then they have some that are fortified or force field. So they got like the special, like for example, you got the attack force and the attack force force field. So that's kind of like their version of like it's like the holographic and then like the super holographic type stuff. But 200 card set. Like I said, not a whole lot in terms of the rookie set. We're gonna have, looks like we're gonna have some breaking issues. There's Oh, nice. Player worn fatigues. Oh, that is dope. Congratulations, you see the card that contains a piece of authentic fatigues, which were worn by Vince Carter, the Toronto Raptors. Hey, that's pretty dope. Dang, look at that. First pack, already got a hit. I got, man, that's all right. Look at that, Sergeant. Feel the Force, Sergeant Carter. Man, that's all right. Look at that. Already hit something. All right, so then if it's got a hit like that, I guess it's only got 2 cards in there. That counts for 2 cards. There should be 5 cards per pack, but Terrell Brandon, Bobby Jackson. Numbered rookies. Oh, so they also got numbered rookies. Rookies numbered to 1600. So hopefully, oh, look at Michael Finley. Oh man, breaking is going to be a problem. Breaking is going to be a problem. Elton Brand. Chris Mills. Oh man, and Larry Hughes. So this is the base. That's what the base looks like. Oh man, that sucks. We're gonna have issues with bricking. That's a nasty print line right there too. Look at that. This little rookie card right there. Oh, this is numbered. Nice. Elton Brand, numbered to 1600. We'll take that. Rookies for this year, again, like I said, man, not a whole lot in terms of big names. But, you know, like I said, Lamar Odom, Jason Terry. Oh, was that? Oh, I was going to say, I thought that was Iverson. Who else I'm trying to think of? 99-2000. Y'all let me know in the comments. I can't remember off the top of my head right now who the Big Dog Glenn Robb. Oh, man, that bricking is going to be a problem. Antonio McDyess. And Dale Ellis. Yeah, man, that breaking is going to be a problem. Tony Kukoc with the Sixers. In the post-Jordan era. Man, that's just bad breaking. These are going to be bad. These are going to be bad. But the cool thing is we can get some parallels, some really dope parallels. Oh, here's a parallel checklist. Checklist, check please. Charles Oakley. Oh, this is the whole checklist. Okay. See, what's cool is Shaq. I mean, you got some pretty big names here. Mission accomplished. Special Forces. I mean, you can see there, Kobe Bryant's pretty much in all of them. You can pull a nice Kobe. So that's what we're really shooting for. Pull a nice little Kobe Bryant. Jason Williams. Man, nasty print lines. Nasty, nasty print lines. Mario Elie. Oh, Dream. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is nice. Do I have top loaders? I should have a couple of them. Yep. Oh, this is all right. Nope, I don't have top loaders. Let me grab some top loaders. I did have some top loaders, but I took them downstairs last night because my other brother also got a box of the new Pokemon, and he hit a couple of nasty little Pokemon cards. So, all right, man, we are in the mix. We got a Hakeem Olajuwon, Mario Elie, Kendall Gill, White Chocolate, Jason Williams, and Charles Oakley. Let's see what else we got. All right, man, this is really bad breaking. Charlie Ward, Ray Allen. Oh, here we go. Attack Force, Tracy McGrady. Oh, yeah, baby. That is nice. T-Mac. There we go, baby. Come on, get in there. No breaking because it was turned around, I think. Jalen Rose and Dan Marley. Dan Marley's still doing the damn thing with the Heat. Where's Attack Force? Attack Force. Yep, there we go. Attack Force. Number, what was this? Number 8? Number 8 of 20. Yeah, these inserts are pretty dope. All right. Not bad, not bad. Couple packs in. Already pulled a mem card. Already got a nice insert. Rex Chapman. Oh, man. Oh, KG. Oh, this is going to be breaked up. Oh, come on. Oh, wow. Yo, that is a nice KG. It's a little dinged up, but yo, these mission accomplished ones are pretty, man, these are pretty slick. Very nice. Very nice mission accomplished. I'm really hoping we can get a Kobe, a nice Kobe. Kelvin Cato from our Rockets. J.R. Reed, Anthony Mason. Oh, there's a Dennis Rodman in here. Vitaly Potapenko. Oh, here's a Grant Hill, Special Forces. Yo, how sick is that? There's a Kobe like this that I would love to hit. Absolutely love to hit. Special Forces, yeah. The Special Forces is only a 15-card set. Kobe, Shaq, Karl Malone, Patrick Ewing, Scottie Pippen, Vince Carter, Chris Webber. But these are obviously the ones to hit right here. Man, that's nice, yo. That's crazy. Man, this is, I told y'all, it's not really in the base set on these. There's Dennis Rodman with the Mavericks. Yeah, it's not about the base set with these. It's about the inserts. So the inserts are going to be where it's at with this one. And man, the inserts are already paying out. I mean, there's a couple of base ones, obviously. You know, you pick up the Kobe's and the Shaqs and things like that. We hit a Hakeem, which is hometown stuff for me. Hitting the Hakeem. Here's another checklist. Here's the base checklist. Oh, we got a die cut. We got a die cut. Man, these bricks. Felipe Lopez. That's my dad's name, Felipe. Oh, no. Oh, man, Stephon Marbury. I think the bricking did get it just a little bit, but not bad, not too bad. Man, this is dope. Dude. Marcus Camby played for my Rockets for a little bit. Man, that is dope. Stephon Marbury. Dude, we are hitting some stuff. Mitch Richmond. Marcus Camby. Felipe Lopez. I never know about Felipe Lopez. We got two checklists. Check, please. So this is the base checklist, and this is the insert checklist, I guess. Yep, pretty cool. All right. Man, we're not even halfway through. We already hit a couple of monster inserts, which I'm pretty excited about. This is going to be a long one, folks. Strap in. This is going to be a long one. Man, that just the bricking hurts. That bricking really hurts. Kenny Anderson. Oh, Dennis Rodman. This one's kind of like a hollow. Force field is what they call them. The force field ones. So this one's kind of dope. Got a little... Man, that bricking really hurts. That bricking really hurts. Let me see if I got any of these that are force field that I just didn't pay attention to. Or numbered, for that matter. Got that one rookie over there that was numbered. I'd like to hit a Kobe. At least one Kobe. Even if it's base or whatever, it's fine. I just want to hit a Kobe. Kenny Anderson and Fred Hoiberg. If I can hit a Kobe, that'd be dope. What is this? Oh, Mobley. Coutinho. Jerry Stackhouse. Oh, man. Jaren Jackson. Allen Houston. Isaac Austin. And Coutinho Mobley. As a Rockets fan, it'd be kind of dope to hit a pretty dope a force field, or what do they call it, fortified or whatever. Hakeem Olajuwon, that'd be kind of dope. Oh, I'm trying to open these up really slowly. But man, it hurts. Oh, here we go. Antoine Walker. Oh, this one got all chopped up. See, you can see it all over the top right here. That's just what happens with these old cards, man. You can't really avoid it. Uh-oh, got a little gold here, I think. Looks like, oh no, guess not. Cedric Ceballos. Oh, white chocolate. White chocolate, let's go. Force Field white chocolate. Force Field white chocolate, Jason Williams. Got some bricking. God damn that bricking. That's all right, though. That's a dope card. I know there's some Jason Williams fans out there. The boy was cold. Cold as ice. You want to talk about dropping dimes, son. Larry Johnson, Big Grandmama, and Damon Stoudemire. Bonsai Wells, that's the guy's name. That's kind of dope. All right. We're halfway through. Honestly, yep, you know what? That's what we're going to do. We're going to split this up into 2 halves. Here are our hits for the first half of this box. We'll do a part 2 on the next episode. I think we did pretty damn good considering we got a Vince Carter, player worn, fatigues, and his fatigues and boots. This might not fit in here. Nope. Nope, not even going to force it. Probably like a 50 point. Anyway. All right. This is not bad. Grant Hill. White chocolate. Special Forces. Kevin Garnett, mission accomplished. And this one is actually, if you know, you could tell the difference. So this one's the fortified, or what is it called? Force Field. This is the Force Field parallel. And this is just the regular insert. Force Field insert, regular insert. Kind of gives you a little extra Shazam there. And then, of course, my hometown pool, Hakeem Olajuwon. All right, I think we'll call it on this one, folks. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one you think was the pull of this half of the box. I think it was this one, obviously. The Stephon Marbury is kind of dope. This one actually looks badass. I don't know, man. I still think it's the Jason Williams. That's the pull. All right. Appreciate you guys watching. I know we've been away for a little while, but we're back. I got episodes on deck. So keep an eye out. Hit subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. You'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Share it with somebody that you think that might enjoy it. And as always, love y'all. Peace.